Welcome to an exclusive video of Soil Compactors. Infra Engineers India Private Limited is one of the leading companies in the used construction equipment industry. Over 190 dedicated workforce keenly execute the refurbishment process in the workshop. Apart from many used construction equipment, we serve to provide refurbished soil compactors of various brands like CAT, HAMM, Dynapac, L&T, Volvo and Case. The compactor even comes with a pad foot wherever required. The company exports used refurbished construction equipment to various countries across Southeast Asia, Africa and Middle East. So far, we have exported 80 units. May you have requirement of any used construction equipment, please contact us. Infra Engineers India Private Limited, a one-stop destination for used construction equipment.